Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tjcoolmoss here. You already know I came back from school now. Now I'm home with the fam. And my dad surprised me with my shop here. So it's the first time I'm going in. And he showed me pictures. That's the only thing I've seen. So it's the first time I'm going in here. And he gave me the keys and I have no idea what key is for what here. So yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tjcoolmoss here. And as you guys know, I was in college for a little bit. I came home for the winter break and my dad surprised me with my shop. Now I've only seen pictures of it, but let's check it out. I haven't been inside of it at all. Let's open this thing up. Oh snap! Look at this thing. Woo! Alright, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've seen the actual machine, but it looks nice. Bigger than I expected. You got AC, so you know I'm not too hot, but let's get straight into it. I like how it looks right now, Dad. You did pretty good with the setup. I see we got the vinyl cutter in the corner. Got all of this. He set this up nice. I haven't seen that. This is nice. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. But Dad really hooked it up for us here. Let's get into a little MTV Cribs right now. Ready? We're gonna put it in slow motion for you guys. So you guys see we got the display right here, you know. Got the display all set up for us. We got one of the things, we got another thing. We got the whole working magic hat.
You've never seen Rocky.
This right here. Alright, so you guys seen a little bit of the shop. Now I'm gonna actually go to the car. Let's go to the car. You guys come with me. We're gonna go to the car. I'm gonna get my laptop and then I'll show you guys what the supporters want. Thanks to my supporters out these Jeeps. I told you guys, they're really hooking us up now. And now we actually got some people that actually want TJ Crew and Tjcoolmoss merch. So we're gonna just start getting production ready so that when January hits, we could just put them out. So let me get my laptop and I'll be right back. Now we're gonna go into, I got a couple people, thanks to my supporters out there, thanks to Southeast Jeeps, they're really supporting us. We're gonna make a couple shirts and I'm gonna bring you guys through the process. So let's get straight into it. As you guys know, we got merch dropping pretty soon, so make sure in January you stay tuned because merch will be dropping and I promise you guys, it's gonna be straight heat. But you guys see, this is just a sneak peek for any of you guys watching. This is possibly what the site's gonna look like. Real quick, we're only gonna do it for a second. All right, next. So this is where the magic happens. You know, we go straight into Photoshop. So he wanted a lot, his little thing is all about Jeeps. So everything we do has to be based on Jeeps. So I just come into here, I make some designs, I do whatever he wants me to do. You see I got his Jeep there. He tells me if he wants anything fixed, I fix it up. Alright guys, so the laptop's open. You guys already saw, I showed you guys. Let me know down in the comment section if you think the merch gonna be heated. Yeah. Alright, but this is what we're gonna do right now. So I haven't worked with the vinyl cutter yet. At least I haven't worked on it in a while. My dad's all about that. So thankfully he's here with us. So he's gonna work on that. But I'm gonna get the shirt prepped so you guys come with me so we can show you how that works. So we already have the actual heat press turned on and it's heated. I waited a couple minutes before I started tape. And he showed me where the boxes of shirts are. So we're gonna get black, this is white. So we got black right here. Also, real quick, thanks to Ray, the entrepreneur. He shouted me out.
So this guy saved up money so he could buy a screen printing equipment and a storefront. And I'm gonna show him love. Tjcoolmoss. There you go, man. Hey, I wish you the best of luck, man. And
ever since then, I've been even more motivated now to do these videos for you guys, and he's straight actually helping me out. So shout out to Reyes. Guys, let him know I sent you if you guys go check him out. Really good entrepreneur, that he's the reason why I started this whole thing. And now, so what we'll do is, he wanted large, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put it down, bang, and you guys will see right here, bring it. So you see I have the temperature set to 329 right here. That's the temperature. Okay. This right here is the preset time, so this just heats it up so that all the fibers are down clean. And then when I click it one more time, boom. That's the time that it takes for we're gonna use vinyl. That's how long it takes for the vinyl to actually set into the shirt. So we're gonna pre-press it. There you go, it's done. And now, let me get the design right quick and let me put it on. I'll be back with the final results now. All right, guys. So it got a little hot in here, as you can tell I'm sweating a little bit, so I turned on the fan for a little bit, and then I just turned on the radio, because, you know, we're not getting copyrighted here. But you guys see, I already got the shirt set up. I already did it. It's already done, but let me show you guys the finished product. But before that, I want to tell you guys, when I was pressing, it's so hard, man. You don't want to burn your fingers. Like, there's always so many things that you got to think about. But also, aligning the shirt, thanks to Harbor Freights. Guys, if you need any tips, this is the biggest tip I can give you. If you want to align your shirt straight, go to Harbor Freights, get this little laser. It goes straight down a middle line across the shirt, and it attaches to metal. So any heat press you have, it should attach to it. And it just goes boom, and then that's it. It's only $5 at Harbor Freights. Get it today. But now on to the actual final product. Let's go. So you guys saw we have the Life is Good little thing. So this is the last one I was just working on right here. You guys see, extra large. Look at that. Look at how clean. No problems out there. It might look a little weird, but no, this is how his design, he actually wanted this exact Jeep. I had a way cleaner Jeep, if I'm just being straight honest with you guys. But he wanted this crooked looking one, I don't know, but it looks good. And we got his little logo on the back. Shout out to them. They're really helping us out. Look at that. Professional right there. Now let's go on to sneak peek of the merch right here. Look at this. Straight fire. Look at that. Reyes will be proud of me right now, man. If he sees this, man, I think it might be a little bit better than his. If I'm just saying. I'm not throwing any shots out. But we keep on going. We got another Tjcool right here. You guys see. Straight heat. But now we back into the Jeep thing. Ain't nothing but a Jeep thing, baby. Look at that. Look at the print. Look at that. All great font. Look at it. It even matches his little font in the back that he has right here. Look at that. I really like this one. This one's got to be my favorite. But last but not least, the one I showed you guys in the beginning, that was the first one I put out. Keep calm, Jeep on. Thanks to Southeast Jeeps for supporting us. I really hope they enjoy these shirts. It was pretty difficult, I'm not gonna lie. We went through a lot of struggles here, but thankfully I had my dad to help me out. Here he showed me the little vinyl cutting process. I already got it all set up, nice and done. You guys see it right here. We got all the vinyls. We set it up nicely right here. He taught me how to do it right quick. So now if you guys need shirts, I'm telling you guys now, merch is dropping January. It's dropping for sure. And don't forget, if you join my Patreon, which is down in the link below, you'll get 25% off, which is a whole $5 off. Who wouldn't want $5 off? And all you gotta do is donate $1. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the new setup. Again, shout out to Reyes the Entrepreneur. He blew up my channel a little bit, not gonna lie to you guys, but if you guys like this little, we're gonna say this is Vlogmas Day 3. If you guys liked it, which I hope you guys did, please like the video, don't forget to comment. This is my printing shop. This is just the start of it. And also, happy holidays. Again, welcome to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications. It's your boy Tjcoolmoss here. Officially join the TJ crew. I'm out.